Hey darlings, I hope you all doing well. Today I'm giving you guys an idea how to choose the perfect smartphone on your own. Well, as we know, we have two most popular smartphone platforms, Android and iOS. First, let's take a look at the smartphone's design. Pick a design which looks sexier to attract everyone. Smartphones mostly come with glass or plastic bodies. Glass body looks more premium, glossy and scratch-proof, but they feel a little bit heavier and have more chances of getting broken, where on the other side we have plastic body smartphones which feel lighter to hold and safer from getting broken on impacts. Still, it lacks premium looks and gets scratched more often. Most premium smartphones have metal frames and better build qualities compared to mid and low-range smartphones in long run. When it comes to display department, there are three types: IPS LCD, AMOLED, OLED. LCDs are usually seen in budget or mid-range smartphones. LCD displays are not great at producing vibrant colors, consume battery when compared to AMOLED and OLED displays, where AMOLED and OLED are better at displaying rich colors and less battery consumption. Along with these, keep in mind display resolutions like HD+, Full HD+, and 2K displays which perform better accordingly to increasing resolution. Usually when it comes to the camera department, more megapixels means more quality picture and details, so you can capture some spicy pics of your neighborhood, but still, the overall picture depends on software optimization. For example, iOS devices consists of only 12 megapixels and still dominates in the camera department, so better pictures needs good optimization. So the camera quality depends on the brand you choose and how they work on camera software, and other extra cameras like ultra-wide, which helps you take wide or group pictures, and telephoto lenses are useful to zoom better with less distortion, macro lens useful to take miniature or close shots. Let's take a look at RAM and storage. RAM is one of the key factors of mobile performance while doing multitasking and switching between apps. Higher RAM means smooth multitasking. Look for the latest version of RAM, i.e., LPDDR5X is now the fastest RAM version. When it comes to storage, it depends on your usage preferences. Gamers, pay attention. Processor is the key element in our mobile performance. We have multiple processors in the market like Qualcomm Snapdragon, MediaTek, and Exynos are the most used popular processors in Android devices, and for iOS they have their own custom chipsets, Bionic A series. When it comes to performance, the higher number series means higher performance. For example, in Android, the top-end latest processors are 8 Gen 1, Dimensity 9000, Exynos 2100 series, and when it comes to iOS, A16 Bionic chip. Take a note that you can't say reasons to your friends like "my game is lagging" in PUBG when you are playing on a smartphone with these processors. Everyone knows you are a noob. One more key factor: processors build with different nanometer technology, which implies the lesser nanometer build processor means less battery consumption. Look for 6 nanometers, 5 nanometers, and 4 nanometers processors, which are the latest in the market segment. Your mobile can't run without battery like your friend without alcohol. The battery should be more than 4000 mAh capacity when it comes to Android, which is preferable so it covers an entire day of average usage. iPhone batteries will last longer apart from the capacity because of its software optimization, which reduces power consumption. To power up a battery faster, you require fast charging support with high watt output. A high watt charger decreases the charging time when compared to normal volt chargers. For smooth and fun user experience, you have to choose a good software UI. Actually, we have two most used softwares, Android and iOS. Android consists of various types of customized options and features for its users, while iOS consists of highly secured software in terms of privacy and security when compared to Android. Keep in mind that software and UI make our user experience better in all various aspects.